Nicole, Eric here, and I'm not sure you can see my video, and I will have to keep checking to make sure my next client hasn't logged into my personal room. But since the video didn't work, I wanted to take a minute to see if I could show you, uh, as a reminder, in case you need it, how to do that thing with the activities. And so if you want students to turn in a file to you, you use the activities area under assignments. And you can see here's that folder that we created earlier. So if I want my students to turn in an assignment, I click New Folder. And I'm going to say that's all I want. And so that's good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move the frame. So I'm just saying Save. And so here's that folder. And I already showed you from the student's perspective, you can put a quick link to this or just tell students to go to the assignments area, find the Dropbox, and drop the assignment in. Just checking to see if Kathy's logged in yet. And so that is really all there is to it. If you want to see how to open them, so I created this one earlier, and remember I submitted that assignment as the test student, and here it is. And if I wanted to evaluate it, and again I'm moving my frame, there's the file. I could download the file if I want to. If I click on it here, it's going to actually open the file in this window and let me look at it. I can just actually grade it right here. And so since it was a PowerPoint, I could grade the student's PowerPoint, and then when I'm done, I type their feedback in this window down here, and typically there'll be a place to input the grade, but I didn't actually associate this with the grade book yet. But in any case, that is all there is to it. So if I wanted my students to turn in an assignment, upload something, any kind of file, I am just going to go to the assignments area. First, I'm going to create a folder if I'm the teacher, and then as the student, I'm just going to need to know what folder do I want to put it in, and then it's going to ask me to upload the file, and that's all there is to it. I know that's one of the things that we talked about. I know the other thing that we talked about was how to embed a video. And so if I go to Content, if I wanted to embed a video down here in this module, what I want to do is create a file. You're not the only one who has trouble typing. And then from here, I want to click this Insert Stuff button. And I think what you were doing is you were clicking YouTube. Instead, you can enter the embed code. But if I go to YouTube, let's just see if we can find that file. If I just search for biology. See, it's just not searching YouTube for some reason. So I wouldn't use that. Instead, I would get the embed code, and then go to YouTube, find the embed code, paste it here, and do it that way. And that's really easy to do. If I just go to YouTube, and I'm going to find that video I wanted, like this is a home workout that my wife and I were doing, and let's share this video, and I'm going to get the embed code, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go back to the Create a File, paste in that embed code, and I will then let my students do a high intensity training video. And you can see now if I go back to the content area, let's see, where did I put that video? What did I do with it? put it in one of these modules. What did I do with it? Anyway, that's how it works. I just forgot where I put it. All right, I'm going to close off because I could keep talking. I'm sorry I didn't record us, but if this helps, I'm glad, and if not, reach out to me by email.